Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it. This home is located in Village on the Greens. It's 508 44th Avenue East. This is lot H-27 in Bradenton, Florida. There's a Pebble Tech driveway coating. A nice forward-facing lanai. This 2005 double-wide manufactured home has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is a total of 1,248 square feet. For pricing and full information on this home, please see the description under the title below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos. We step into the nice dining room. The home is being offered fully turnkey furnished, so what you see remains in the home. The dining room opens up to the lanai area with ceramic tile flooring. This side of the lanai area does have a plexiglass window insert. This is strictly for inclement weather. Nice tall ceilings. The other side here is under the overhang of the home and is just screened. The layout is large and open to the kitchen with center island and still yet an eaten kitchen. Plenty of cabinets and countertop area. All appliances do remain with the home. There's an additional exit here with a side door. Indoor laundry is always a bonus. The guest bathroom is here off the hallway on your right. It does have a solar tube there, just creating some nice bright light. A nice size guest bedroom. The primary bedroom is quite large. It could easily hold a king-size bed. We have double closets, and an ensuite bathroom with step-in shower. You might notice here and as we walk through the house that the doorways are all quite large, making this easily accessible for those who need the extra space. We'll take a quick walk around the exterior of the home. The AC is in good working condition. There's a small storage area here. Village on the Greens is a 55 plus gated community that is pet free. They offer an active lifestyle with swimming pool, shuffleboard, pickleball, fitness center, a clubhouse with lots of social activities. Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Life can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now.